time to
decide.
to analyze and
So that is your strength or weakness?
It's the weakness.
Okay.
It can be a strength also. If you take time to decide, means you think over it and therefore decide. You are not spontaneous.
That's not spontaneous because I take time.
That's the best thing actually.
Which is a good thing.
Seriously.
But
I mean, if you
there are
take,
some time when people have to take a good decision in.
tell them you can't decide right away. Tell them after
You need time.
you need time.
Some people tell that I don't have
No,
time.
nobody will say that. That's a positive point. That's seriously a positive point. Like in future, if you have to decide anything for the organization, okay, and if you take time and then decide, and that decision, if that turns out to be the best decision, then that's a benefit for the organization. So it's a positive thing. It's not a negative. Don't take it as a don't position it as a negative thing from your side.
I thought that I take time, so maybe turn as a weakness because they will have less time to take decisions.
Where have you done your internship or the life project from?
Caps and
What did you do?
and there I was in a national selection process in which I have to access the Naukri portal and there
Okay.
and there I have to select the proper candidate for the requirements positions where product engineer and BDS and technicians and I did my academic but my interest area is not
What is the major that you are looking at?
HR.
Acha. And you want to be a HR generalist and not recruitment.
Ma'am, I want to be in a development.
अच्छा you want to be in अच्छा ठीक है. So since you used Naukri and I'm from Naukri, so let me ask you something. ठीक है. What is Restex? You work on the portal. What is Restex? How do you search for this one?
And by getting some key skills on the particular company and after that the salary, the experience, the locations and then I search the profile according to their company requirements.
It was just a 10 days life project.
7 years.
Just 7 days. Which was too less to learn things. How did you get into this project? Did you somebody in Amazon or was it through college?
College, ma'am, Kapoor sir, HR coordinator.
Yeah.
Told me to do it.
So why is it that you don't look for something in PhD because that is an interest area rather than recruitment? PhD is really
Ma'am, this is the only that the servant providers for that.
Are you a local?
No, ma'am, I'm from Ahmedabad.
Do you have friends in Delhi?
Ma'am, I live in hostel, so the classmate is the only friend.
Classmates are really friends. So did you try to get some projects from your own also or were you totally dependent on the course?
I'm doing my SIP. I will do my SIP in future in UCCL. But I will do college itself. I will try my please.
Because the more the projects you do, more
But every students are one to proposal itself.
so if every student is going through proposal and you are also going through proposal but you have to do projects on your own also, then you are higher than in those every students.
I will do for trimester.
Try it. You are planning to do it. Are you in touch with your seniors from this?
Yes, ma'am. Vedika is a senior.
Which batch?
I'm just
8 batch.
14, 15.
So your area is training and development. Why is that?
And because from my point of view, I think it's a boring for me because yes, I think so. Because ma'am, the thing I did in the CAPSAT was to call and to match their equipment and all that. So it was not that much that I was looking for. And training is already have to witness the policies for trainings and bring something new always for the trainees, for their development, for their. I think it's interesting than that improvement. That was not so good in CAPSAT.
Actually. Okay. So in your resume, one you don't have your photo entries. Dusra, why is this font different from other fonts?
So I have everything. There's so many things.
ये font अलग क्यों है? मतलब ये font अलग है,
She
ये
wants
font
to hide
अलग
the
है.
number.
You know what is font?
Yes, ma'am.
ये font और ये font अलग क्यों है? अगर ये middle aligned है, तो ये left aligned क्यों है? ठीक है?
Then
अगर
opposite
copy का
plus.
request है और ये आगे है, तो ये भी next page पे क्यों नहीं है? As in you could have pressed enter और copy जो है वो यहाँ आ जाती है headline.
So date of birth is also not aligned.
Similarly date of birth जो है वो कहाँ जा रही है?
Jim's logo is stretched.
So first is, I think, this date you have used that super for it. Superscript. We use superscript.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
use
telling
scanning.
of November.
NOD and B.
Sorry.
September and November.
Right. There we use bold, right? Whereas all these, this matter is not bold, this is bold, right? Curriculum vitae.
How do you spell this word? How do you pronounce this word?
It should be like B.
How do you pronounce it?
Maintain.
पता ना? Data check.
Priya, you did your graduation in 2014 and you joined TCM in 2015, I guess, right? Then why this gap of 1 year?
So it's that I do my coaching time for MBA. So that's why I got coaching.
Okay.
So you want to mention what exactly you want to do, what subjects you want to take up, major or minor.
Majorly extra.
Major is HR and minor is
Marketing.
nice. So it's a clear thought in your mind that you want to get into HR and why marketing as well? Why not finance or operations? Because HR and operations is a good match.
That's what I'm not doing now.
That's a case for finance. That's a case for why marketing.
So marketing is a major.
Marketing is minor.
Which is
It's minor. It's minor. It's minor. Okay. So why marketing is a minor?
So because marketing like which I can do, but not I can ask.
See, right now you're sitting for an interview and your product is not right, which is your CV. So how can you be good at marketing? So you don't even know how to market yourself. That's why it's minus not important.
It is
ऐसे ये
important.
चलता है कर लेंगे तो हो जाएगा.
नहीं it is like finance नहीं करना तो जो बचा
हाँ वो बच्चे जो कर रहे हैं. You're
अच्छा.
not clear actually.
प्रिया एक बात बताओ मैंने आपसे इंटर्नशिप का पूछा था you told me that since you are not from Delhi so therefore you took whatever you got when it is the time of placement suppose करो there are no HR companies which are coming up ठीक है and there are marketing companies which are coming up because marketing companies ज़्यादा ही आती है HR से ठीक है what will you opt for the marketing job or will you look for options for yourself in HR होने के लिए
So I look now I'm looking for HR. First I look for HR because that's my major field. So I look for HR.
But how do you look for it? You don't know anybody in Delhi.
But I can't go for marketing as my major job because my main focus is on HR. So how can I have to go to marketing as well? The students are there who will be marketing as a major.
So that is
they
your
will-
own decision. Just tell me one thing. That is your own decision. You want to get into HR.
Yes, sir.
That is your, you decided well. You took time properly. Since you said no, you are not a decision maker. You said that. So you took proper time to decide that you have to get into HR.
So if you can search for jobs then and you are confident that you will find it on your own in the market if the college doesn't give it, why did you find your companies for internships on your own and why did you not push to do it? You got my question.
Yes, ma'am.
There you know the placement situation here in HR. Have you seen your seniors getting placed in HR company? Have you seen what exactly are they doing?
So one is there in Tap House.
Okay. What profiles are they into? They are into HR profile or they are into
DMA recruitment.
Oh,
general.
Yes, they are in HR.
recruitment, sales and all something?
No, sir. Sales were not in HR. Only there. One I know my senior who is in Tap House. is in recruitment process.
Okay, so is there anyone in team?
So usually,
So you want to get your profile, which is all related to training and development. There is no company in your college to come
because
for.
there are no companies coming in
And
HR.
you're also not taking any effort to go outside and look for it.
I will take that for to go
When?
outside.
Next year March.
When everybody will be placed and you'll be the only one, is it so while waiting for that day? No.
Before that, I'll take
Because it will take a lot of time. It will take at least 1 year to get into the place where you work.
But in our college, no company are coming for HR also. Since 2 years.
So, but companies are coming for your profile.
March 2017 or January 2017 and December 2016.
See, almost 10% people get placed in December, January. So
So
HR,
the best company come at the end.
is it so?
I
You want to wait for
observe.
the end.
नहीं तो क्या होगा?
But I observe that the companies are good, Amul and all that companies are coming and the
What kind of profile these companies are giving? Are they coming for the HR profile?
और आगे देखिए PND और आगे देखिए general.
So you see, you showed me your seniors got placed in tech house or something. I didn't know much about that. I'm in the industry for the last 6 years. I never heard about it. So it's a big company, it's one of the best. Are you targeting
What's the
same kind of
company
company?
best, but it is better company.
It's a better company. In terms of what time it's better. It's better than Tata. It's better than Airtel. What defines better? Profile that they provide is better.
But the
What is
girl-
better? Better for you or better for the company?
So the girl who is in that house, she is good with that profile.
She is good. She is good.
She is okay with that company and with that profile.
You are good. You think so?
I am good.
No, with that profile.
With that profile.
Obviously, as a general
No, I'm not.
So the question again comes back to the same thing. If you did not, if you wait for the last companies to come till February, March, and they don't turn up, recession का हमें पता नहीं था ना, अचानक से हो गया. Suppose करो there is low hiring requirement in the market and they don't turn up in Jan and Feb, which they did in last 2 years. 6 years back they
At
did
your
not.
time also.
हाँ.
2008.
हमारे में भी यही प्रॉब्लम आया था, नहीं आई आई मूवमेंट. फिर क्या करेंगे? बैकअप प्लान क्या है?
I'll search for the other company.
कब? तब कि अब से.
You know you're doing MBA and you don't want to get into business. You have to get a job. Okay? So you have to decide right away. You don't have to wait for the last minute. When everybody will be placed and you will be depressed and you won't be able to at that point of time. You don't have to do that. Okay? You take time in deciding, you told me. You have 1 year to decide. But exactly you want.
It is not work next time.
So exactly. You have the
Market realization.
Okay, Priya, what are your salary expectations?
Because I'm mid and freshers, so 5 to 6.
Up to 6,000.
Yeah. 5
But
to
6
6
lakh.
per annum. 5 to 6
Are you sure?
lakh.
We are
6
here for
lakhs per annum in hand per month will be approximately.
Let's say you get a package of 6
6
lakh
lakh.
rupees, then what would be your per month salary?
Your age are हाँ?
60,000? Come
इससे
again?
क्या होगा उसमें? ये जो अपना जो बॉस है ना वो भी पैसे डाल के देगा। 1 लाख रुपए वो
जैसे EPF होता है वहाँ पे BPF होगा, बॉस का प्रॉफिट है.
बॉस प्रॉफिट फंड दैट विल बी देयर। टेक योर टाइम, यू टेक यू टाइम दिस साइड।
You have 15 seconds.
You got pen and pad.
Would you calculate? Traveling to India.
हम बात
What she is working out. That's it. 50,000?
What is the difference between CTC and fixed salary?
CTC is which we get before having that the reduction in the like TA and DNS allowances and other traveling allowances and any other type of PF after deduction of that which we get is the actual salary and in which the added or addition of all these apart from
What is the full form of CTC?
These are all HR terminologies.
So ready to give you 6 lakh package, your in-hand will be 10,000 rupees. Okay.
6 lakh package meant for per annum 6 lakh.
Yes. That is what you want. We'll give you that. Okay. We'll give you that. Your in-hand salary will be 10,000 rupees.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Are you happy?
You said you want 6
6 lakh.
lakh.
We'll give you 6
I'm
lakh.
giving you 6 lakh.
On paper, we'll write it. We'll give you 6 lakh.
So why not?
But in hand will be 10,000.
Yeah.
No, 6 lakh
This is a company policy. That is the way we construct our CTC.
लास्ट में लिखा होगा सैलरी 6 लाख.
Why so?
तुम बताओ.
तुम बताओ, you are doing HR and you know how exactly the salaries are calculated.
What is CTC का full form? ये दुनिया का सबसे बेसिक क्वेश्चन है.
सब कुछ है, सब
HR को छोड़ो,
सब
ये मैं
अच्छे
फाइनेंस
हैं।
वाले को पूछूंगी तो उसको भी पता होना चाहिए, मार्केटिंग वाले को भी पता होना चाहिए, तो वो जॉब्स चाहिए आगे जाके. What is CTC? How will you negotiate for a salary? You don't know what is CTC? The second question. बिल्कुल नहीं. अच्छा, do you know fixed salary और CTC अलग चीजें होती हैं? Which you explain. कि जो चीज़ काट पीट के हाथ में आती है वो फिक्स सैलरी होती है, उसके बाद पीयर जो भी होता है वो सारा वो CTC होता है.
What is TDS?
Tax, when we give tax, and they provide us a receipt which is known as TDS.
Really? किसको देते हैं टैक्स?
For government.
गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स देते हैं, गवर्नमेंट हमें स्कीम जो देती है उसे TDS कहते हैं. Then what is ITR?
What is the full form of TDS and ITR?
TDS is tax deduction.
आगे SBA ना?
That's got 3 letters. TDS.
What is the full form of ITR? TDS is tax deduction at source.
CTC बनाएंगे.
वो गूगल करना पड़ेगा.
This is very important in your life. In
हाँ,
coming
लिख
future,
देती
so
हूँ, ताकि तुम भूल ना जाओ.
हाँ.
CTC मॉल भी होता है. CTC मॉल भी है.
CTC साथ ही साड़ियाँ भी आती हैं.
हाँ.
CTC भी. This is very important.
Right.
This
Can
is
you-
what you are here for.
Can I just see here? Spelling of February.
Spell February.
FEBU.
Spell February.
February.
Unspecific.
FEBUARY.
Is mutual fund.
Recruitment.
TNT also. Then you want to. Alignment. Resume.
Spell alignment.
Alignment. ALL, ING and ENG.
ING.
Recruitment. Oh,
I say resume.
ये वर्ड लिखो, ये वाला वर्ड इसको जो भी बोलते हैं इसको प्रोनाउंस करो.
Curriculum.
प्रिया बहुत सीखना है.
Need to work on yourself. Yeah.
बहुत
It's very
सीखना
important for you right
पड़ेगा.
now.
बहुत स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट.
10 months, 300 days, you have to be on your toes.
स्पेल जानो.
JNJR.
राइट. ब्लॉक अब ब्लॉक What is leave year?
We have 29 days.
Leave year last का वाला.
One is
अब तो आएगा.
4 days. 16, 20.
You want to check the spelling of February? Rotary, recruitment, alignment.
नहीं
Just checking. What are you doing?
क्या करती हुई है इसमें?
मुझे दिन में बताया
कितनी देर लगी? 5 मिनट।
मॉक इंटरव्यू में क्या होगा इसलिए बताया।
ये कितने देर में बना है? कितनी देर में बना है? देर को
लेकिन
बना है।
मतलब अच्छे रहेगा। इसको ऑटो रिपीट देखा होगा, इसकी भी देखा होगा।
ऑटो पे
जो गलती आप लोग ना समझ जाएंगे।
क्या ऑटो पे ऑन होता है, बाई डिफॉल्ट या ऑफ होता है? की करना होता है। क्या बाई डिफॉल्ट हमारे सिस्टम में ऑटो पे ऑन या ऑफ? जब तुमने सीवी बनाया था तो ऑटो पे चल रहा था नहीं चल रहा था? What is ये?
Spells of
See what it is. ये सफरेट वाला डबल एफ नहीं है। ये साउथ में सिल्वर है।
And then remember, check the spelling and remember.
Write the members like block symbol. See what you are doing. So it will work. क्या गवर्नमेंट में आप सेलेक्ट होगा नवंबर में करेंगे।
Want a government job? Want a government job?
Training doesn't have to be one topic. You go out, you go for training, corporate sector, even speaking if you're in college.
Can I
Do a lot of things.
Yeah, please work on your basics. Spelling तो बहुत ही छोटा वर्ड होता है, spelling का काम करना पड़ेगा। Work on your basics.
more spelling words.
Yeah, but not every spelling. How to use spelling?
More spelling to remember and all that.
February spelling होती है।
ये याद है।
अगर ये spelling होती है, हम यहाँ से बता देंगे। It is high time that you have to go back to basics.
So don't take stress. Just work hard. Just concentrate. And just be confident. It's just
He's given you some ID?
student idea.
Student ID?
हाँ, नहीं ऑफिशियल तो यू कांट राइट ऑफिशियल यू कांट हाँ बात नहीं सकते
ये आईडी कहीं से भी एक्सेस हो सकता है। ये सिर्फ कॉलेज के सर्वर से एक्सेस होता है।
लेकिन हाई लीगल है तो ऑलरेडी साइन इन हो गया
नहीं मुझे वेब मेल और समथिंग
I use mail and which is already login तो भैया मेरे अकाउंट
तो just put your personal ID, don't put your college ID.
You have one? What is your Gmail ID?
I mean Priya 101@gmail.com.
Please use your Gmail ID. Use your office college ID. This is no college ID. This is not for corporate purpose.
So it's professional. So it's formal so I should
Please put it in Gmail. Secondly, please make sure that your resume is well aligned. You can't have definite